You know what time is it? Yeah, I'm gonna have to solve this thing one-handed. And as you can see, I have it already scrambled. And I'm gonna scramble a little bit more just to make things harder for myself because I see this block. So I'm not gonna like cut anything out of this video for legitimacy for reasons, because some people may think that I'm faking it and I may just start solving two-hand in some parts. So yeah, I'm now get ready, and the solve will start once I'm done inspecting. Can't believe I'm doing this. Let me actually stand up for this one. Okay, I think I'm ready. Let's do this. So far so good. Yes, I'm doing everything two-handed. And at the end of the video, once you're done watching this video, if you even are, then it would be nice if you comment down which cube should I solve next with one hand. And yeah, going to that, I will decide. And yeah, okay, where is it? Here. I'm gonna just use keyhole, like that. Oh shoot, cube dropped. Insert. There you go. First pair, I think. Wait a minute. Yep, that's first pair. And where's the orange one? Oh, it's all the way back here. Gosh darn it. Hopefully I don't forget to stop the timer. You know, I'm gonna just zoom in. Oh no, there you go. I'm already at 1:25. Let me show you the timer. Oh my god, why am I attempting this? This thing just locks up way too much. Whenever I just try and like move, it just locks up for some reason. So this is blue. I do this sag. So insert. Oh no. Let's just do it like a white D move sort of, and now insert within R prime. And I have this mech case, and I have parallel parity. So I do this. And while inserting, and before inserting the pair, I see that this edge is going to be flipped when I insert. So I just do F, like that, Shrek into F, and then F prime. Let me just straighten it up, or just align it. And now F prime, I get this case. So I attempt it like this. Now I'll have a guaranteed cross on the top. There you go. I'm not gonna use COLL. Actually, wait. I'm not gonna use. You know what? I'm using COLL. I know full COLL. I am using my COLL knowledge, no matter what. I'm having to use my flippin' index fingers. Sorry if it's getting a little bit out of frame. If you want me to zoom out, then let me actually do that. There you go. Okay. R2. And just another Shrek move to finish up the COLL. I'm done with that. Oh no, not the Z prime. At least I know the OH ag. Otherwise I would have been forced to do 2U perms. Or maybe just the M move Z perm. How can I do M moves with one hand? If you guys want me to keep my mouth shut, then I will do it while fixing parity, cause there's this thing called center parity. Oh no, all my centers are messed up. So this one's technically broken, so depends on, so it doesn't really matter which direction I do it. I'm gonna have to use M moves. For some reason I'm gonna do it with my thumb. Whoa. Okay, it was like this, I think, and then like this, kind of like a Shrek move. I'm gonna have to repeat that 4 more times, like that. U prime, God, how is my free arm hurting? Okay, getting close to the end. Having to use my index finger for M and my thumb for M prime. I keep on having to like oh yeah, it was like that. And now I have 3 more centers remaining. I wish I used the method that I invented for this called center parity avoidance. You basically build the cross in a certain way that you don't have any parity on the centers. E prime. There. Now repeat it 4 more times. Alright, now I'll be quiet. 3, 2, 1. No, that was so close to a DNF. I was so close to a DNF there. Oh yeah, it's U prime into U. I gotta repeat it more and more and more. Move on here. Let's do that. Now repeat it 2 more times. There, insert, and yeah, get rid of, I'll do screw AUF, I'll do it at the end. I'm at the 7 minute 39 second mark. I got the beat, I don't know, I just gotta finish it quickly. Yeah. If you want a tutorial on the twisty cube, then I may post it. There. Okay, let's just eat. Did my TPS just increase? And I promise I do not do M moves like this. So let me just insert this one. Final center. Oh my god. And instead of the M prime E prime, I'm gonna have to do the M prime U. So I'd better do it before we reach the 10-minute mark. Oh, my timer is saying that I am at, I don't know, 9 minutes. Come on. I missed a line there. Okay, I need to line it. Man, I wish I never had this. I'm like, this is dumb. Why do I have this in my collection? Just repeat it a few more times. Keep on repeating it till it's solved. There. And now I do there. Wait. Why am I not able to do use? And AUF. That's it. I passed the 10-minute mark, and yeah, thank you for watching. Hopefully you found this entertaining or enjoying. Subscribe, like, turn on the bell while you leave, the notification bell, and comment which cube should I solve next with my left hand, this hand, one-handed. So yeah, peace.